Assalamualaikum. Let's continue with our discussion on the recent updates due to the amendments introduced by the Ease of Paying Taxes Act or the EOPT. Now we have the invoicing updates under Revenue Regulations number 7-2024. Before, kailangan pa natin i-consider kung engage in the sale of goods or services ba ang taxpayer. Invoice kung sale of goods at official receipts naman kung sale of services. Wala na po yung distinction ngayon. With the new law, mapa-engage in the sale of goods or services po kayo, you are both mandated to use invoice. Ibig sabihin po, wala na yung official receipt? Meron pa din naman po. Pero, ang invoice lang po ang kino-consider ngayon na primary written document as proof of the sale of goods and or services. Ito po ay tinatawag na principal invoice. Paano kung may unused official receipt pa po kami? Hindi na po ba namin ito pwedeng gamitin? Kung may natitira pa kayong unused official receipts o iba pang resibo, ay pwede mo pa rin naman pong gamitin hanggang sa ito ay maubos. But no longer as a primary receipt, but only as a secondary or supplementary document. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Ibig pong sabihin nito ay as a supplementary evidence, it may be used as proof of payment, pero hindi na po ito pwedeng gamitin as proof for claim of input tax. Only the invoice is now allowed as a primary supporting document for input tax purposes. Pwede pa rin po bang makonsider as primary document ang natitira pa namin unused official receipts? Pwede pa naman po. Kailangan nyo lang i-strike through ang word na official receipt sa resibo nyo at palitan ito or mag-stamp ng word na invoice. Either cash, charge, or service invoice, depende sa gamit. Pag nagawa niyo po ito, maaari na pong magamit as a primary invoice sa inyong unused official receipt pero hanggang December 31, 2024 po lamang. Dahil ito ay na-convert na as primary invoice, ibig sabihin pwede na ito magamit as a valid document for claim of input tax from January 22 to December 31, 2024. Pero huwag niyo pong kalimutan ang reportorial requirement that all unused official receipts to be converted as invoice ay kailangang mai-report muna sa RTO where the head office or branch office is registered by submitting an inventory of the unused official receipts within 30 days upon the effectivity of this regulation. That is, 15 days from its publication. Ibig sabihin, 30 days from April 27. That's all for now mga ka-tax buddy. Hanggang sa muli. Shukran.